Now, in your previous lesson, you have studied now that hypothalamus is the boss of the endocrine system. Alright? So now hypothalamus has got to control your pituitary gland. And how does hypothalamus control the pituitary gland? By using hormones. Alright, so I'm going to concentrate on pituitary gland today. Now your pituitary gland has got the posterior part and the anterior part. Okay, so here this will be your posterior and this is the anterior. Now anterior part of the pituitary gland do not make any hormones. Okay, the anterior part just keeps two hormones inside. Alright, does not synthesize. The posterior part, sorry, not the anterior, the posterior part does not synthesize any hormones. Okay, so do not synthesize hormones. Okay, alright, it just releases two hormones, which is ADH and oxytocin. Okay, now who makes these hormones? The hypothalamus makes the hormones and pass it to the posterior part to be stored. Alright, so it is the hypothalamus that makes these hormones. Okay, and then is stored in the posterior part. So ADH is A. So ADH reabsorb water in kidney tubules. Okay, we will study under homeostasis for blood pressure. Okay, now, oxytocin, you just have to know, helps in uterus contraction during birth. Alright, okay, now let's go to the anterior pituitary. Okay, so this is the anterior pituitary. They are synthesizing hormones. Alright, so the anterior pituitary, right, has got a few hormones that they will synthesize. So they are going to produce specific hormones. Okay, so TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. You need to know this one for SPM. Okay, one of the reasons to regulate hormones. Number 2, alright, ACTH, you don't have to know. Number 3, LH. Number 4, FSH. And number 5, prolactin. Number 6, growth hormone for growth. This is chapter 4. Okay, so now please understand that what is the posterior part and the anterior part. The posterior do not synthesize, just produces directly two hormones into the blood. Okay, and where they got them from? The hypothalamus has actually synthesized them, mixed them, and then send it to the posterior. Anterior, these are your hormones. Okay, alright. Thank you.